Welcome to the channel. I'm Stacy and my goal here is to help you to play better and sound better in your worship services. Today I'm going to share some channel highlights with you, but before we get into that, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for being a part of this community with me. I originally started this channel as an outlet for some ideas I had, and it quickly became focused on worship covers with tabs and presets. I posted my first video in March of 2021 with just a handful more coming out that year, and things really took off when I put the video out for What I See by Elevation Worship. Since then, I've tried to post more consistently and include demos, tone insights, and whatever help I could give to whoever needed it to dial in those sweet tones. All right, let's get into it. First, I'm going to go over a couple of milestones, and then we're going to go through the top 5 for the channel of 2024. The first milestone is that the channel reached 375,000 views, 200,000 of which happened in this last year. It's just mind-boggling to me, and it means a whole lot that you would tune in. That leads me to the second milestone, which is on December 21st, the channel reached 3,000 subscribers. Just a side note, 75% of the viewers aren't subscribed, and if you're in that category, consider subscribing. All right, let's get this top 5 rolling. Coming in at number 5 is Jehovah by Elevation Worship, a video I originally posted in July of 2023. I love the clean tones on this one, the use of that dual rhythmic delay in the chorus, the use of vibrato, and I also love arpeggios that have open strings ringing out, and this one has it all. Coming in at number 4 is Holy Forever by Bethel Music, a cover I put out in March of 2023. Not only does this song have great parts to play, but the toggle switch on my custom deluxe got to work out. The palm muting in the chorus is so satisfying, and I love the use of the pitch vibrato. I'm seeing more modulation work its way into the songs we play, and I'm loving it. Coming in at number 3 was a shock to me, the cover for Alive by POD, originally posted in April of 2021. This song was a request from my oldest son. It was something I had taught him when he was learning, and it was just a fun walk down memory lane. This song is tuned down a whole step and then down to drop C, so you get those real heavy tones. I built the preset for this one with the Brit 45 in the stomp along with the chorus, and then a simple EQ to bump that holy mid-range. And going into the stomp, I had the compressor, the Signa Drive, which is a Tube Screamer clone, and the Wampler Euphoria. It didn't take a whole lot of gain. It's a pretty clean tone. But just the way that it's set up, you got those low notes, it just sounds so rich and full, and this preset was a blast to play. Coming in at number 2 is Another in the Fire by Hillsong United, originally posted in February of 2022. This was the 10th video that I ever made, and it came out 3 days after the video for What I See. I love the reverse delays on this one, the spacious reverbs, and I love how big it gets when it hits that big chorus. And the number 1 song for 2024 is Praise by Elevation Worship, a cover I put out in August of 2023. I love the use of effects on this one. The analog chorus is the perfect watery tone for the chorus and for the bridge parts, and the way they used 100% wet mix to transition from the bridge to that last big chorus section is inspiring. It's easy to settle in and use effects the way we know to use them, but sometimes digging in and finding a different sound can help us break out of a rut. I love looking back on where I've been and seeing the things God has done in my life, and this video is just a small part of that. The growth of this channel has been a huge encouragement to me, and I've got big plans for 2025. I hope you stick around and chime in from time to time. If you're interested in what I'm doing here and you haven't yet, consider subscribing. As always, there's a handful of downloads free for you in the description box below. I hope you have a great week and a great 2025, and I'll see you in the next one.